Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Here's a recipe for a delicious chocolate fudge cake. Ingredients: 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoon baking powder, 1½ teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 cups granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 cup boiling water, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup hot fudge sauce, store-bought or homemade. Whipped cream or ice cream for serving, optional. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, cocoa powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs, sugar, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract until well combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until the batter is smooth and well combined. Be careful not to overmix. Stir in the boiling water, a little at a time, until the batter becomes smooth. The batter will be thin, but that's normal. Pour the batter equally into the prepared cake pans. Bake in the preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Remove the cakes from the oven and let them cool in the pans for about 10 minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once the cakes are completely cooled, spread a layer of hot fudge sauce on top of one cake layer. Place the second cake layer on top and spread another layer of hot fudge sauce on top. You can also frost the sides of the cake with additional hot fudge sauce if desired. Serve the chocolate fudge cake as is or with a dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of ice cream. Enjoy your homemade chocolate fudge cake. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you delicious recipes I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.